Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of computer science. Before that, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, put a thumbs up and share it with your friends and do comment if you have doubts in the video. So let's jump into the video. So previously in the last video we have seen about select statement till where clause. Now we are going to see what we can include in the where clause and what will be the syntax of those, and we will do some practicals on that. So already we have seen the operator that can be used in the where clause is equal to. Equal to is used with any column name and give a value which is equal to some value. Okay, we can also use this symbol greater than, we can use less than symbol, we can use greater than equal to, then we can use less than equal to, then we can use not equal to. These are the symbols that we can include for our where clause. For example, the column name equal to some value, column name greater than some value. Usually these are for mathematical values. Okay, and this can be for text value as well as integer values, but the only difference is we have to put a quotation, single quotation for text values, and we don't have to include a quotation for integer values. Okay, now after this we are having the option of between, like, and in. These are the operators. We have got between, then we have got like operator, then we have got in. This is known as range operator. In and not in, two options are there. Like and not like option is there. Between and not between option is there. Between gives you, what give between meaning is the opposite is done by not between. Like, what like does, the opposite does is done by not like. And what in does, not in helps in the opposite of what in does. So let's see what is between statement, how to use this between. So the first thing is select star from table name, from table name. Okay, this is a normal syntax. Use the keyword where, any column name. I'm using price column here. Write the word between and give any value and keyword and any value. Like if the value is 50 and 60, inside this 50, 51 to 59, the values will be displayed in front of you. Okay, give the column name. Instead of writing any operator, use this between operator and the keyword and, if you are using between. Okay, so this is the way how you put out your between keyword. Next one is like. Like is used for displaying a pattern. For example, select star from table name, where usually used for varchar type of values. It is not used for integer values. Okay, between is used for integer values. Price, instead of price use some other column like customer name, customer's name, like, and give the type of pattern that you want to retrieve from the row. For example, if I need any name starting with S, I have to give S and this percentage sign. It will show that first letter should be S and after that anything can follow. Okay, so we have to know two more things here, this symbol and this symbol. This specifies anything after that, and any number of characters. This specify only one character. Okay, one character and any number of character, that are the two meanings. So for this query, it is like S percentage means S should be the starting letter, after that anything can follow. Those type of customers name should match for your rows, and those rows will be pulled out from the table. See another example, like customer name, like, everything is same. After like you have to write S1 2 3. If I use this, Meaning is first letter should be S, any character, any second character, third character, and four characters should be there. That means examples which matches with this is Sona. Four letters are there. First letter should be S. This word matches with this. This word matches. Okay, anything after S. Whereas this word will not match because the first letter is P. Okay, so you can make combination of letters, like first character should be anything, second character should be S, then percentage, like that. Any character pattern you can form with this like statement in your where clause. Okay, we will see it in practical. Next one is in. In is used for putting some values in a options and you have to select from that, like select star from your any column customers where city in, you can give any options that you want, Paris or London. Okay, so in this in keyword is used. For that you have to include the options that you want to get the result for. So this query will be selecting only city from Paris and London, not any of the cities, and those customers detail will be shown to you. Those who belong to Paris or London, none of other options. You can also include in the values 1, 2, and 10. So these three values should be taken for text for integer values. Okay, this is the way it is used. The opposite is done for not in. It will exclude this Paris and London from that if you use not in this case. Select star from table name where any column name you can choose, column name equal to a value. Okay, then you can also use same way, you can use greater than equal to, you can use less than equal to. Okay, all options are available. Next one is select star from table name where any integer column name. Okay, name between 50 and 60. 650 and 60 are the two values that your column has, semicolon. Then comes like, copying this, like used for varchar values. Now column name like, it follows a pattern of percentage and underscore. Underscore means one value, percentage means any number of characters. A percentage, S percentage. Okay, this can be one character, one type of pattern. Like that, any number of patterns are available. Then comes in. Single quotation, the values inside single quotation. For text values, okay, this is how the syntax looks like. Okay, use this in your table. Here I have used star. You can specifically mention any of the columns that you want. And the meaning totally changes if you use not in here. If you use not like, if you use not between, these are the options available in between, like, and in. You can also use not of all this. Next one is practical of this where clause that we have just now seen on information. Select start from customers where country is Mexico. Let's check it out. Run the SQL command. So you can see country is Mexico. So country with Mexico, this is the column country, Mexico is the information here. Only for Mexico we will be selecting all the rows. Because of this star we are going to select all the rows, all the information only for country as Mexico. Okay, if we want to change it to something else like country greater than, I can use customer ID here, customer ID as capital, greater than any value or greater than equal to any value, like greater than 7, then it will be displaying something else. 85 columns greater than equal to 7. So 7 is also included here. Please keep that in mind. If it is greater than 7, greater than equal to 7, 7 is also included. If you remove this equal to, then a greater than 7 value will be displayed to you. Okay, with the customer ID. Now the concentration is on this column value because that is included in the where condition. Now we have options like this: greater than, less than, not equal to. So if it is not equal to, then it will be like all the values where 6, 7 will be missing here and everything else will be displayed till the end, till 91. Okay, another option is less than any of the value, less than equal to 7. So only less than 7 values of customer ID will be displayed. So these are all possible in the where clause for arithmetic values. This equal to, greater than. If I give the same thing for Mexico, let's check what is the output. It's not taking. Sorry. If we give country less than equal to Mexico, since it is not a integer value, it is not understanding and it's not taking the values accordingly. Say Germany, Mexico are displayed. So this is applicable, this less than equal, these operators are applicable for integer valued columns. Now let's check between. 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4 and 7 is also included in the between. If you take here as not between, other values will be displayed. After 4 it is missing and before 7 it is missing. All other values will be taken. Pattern, you can use city like a percentage. City starting with A, after that anything can follow. So these are the options available for those columns. For only these 3 values, the rest of the rows are displayed. See here. If I write underscore a and percentage, that means one character should be there, second character should be a, and after that anything can follow. Let's check if any output is there. See, starting any character, second character should be a. So first M words, M letters are there, A, and so if you check, all the second character will be A, and after that anything can follow. So these are the options. You can change the option, like if I give N here, so the third letter is N, second letter A, first any character, after that anything can follow. Run the SQL. So you have got some options. A and N, A and N. See here, A and N, after that anything can follow. If I give underscore only here, then let's check. Such result is not there. Only 4 character name is not there. If I give one more underscore, let's check. 3 letters should be there after A and N. Let's check. Yes, you have 3 options like this. So this can be done using your like keyword. If you want to not like, if you give other than this, all values will be displayed. See, 91 rows are there, in that 3 are missing. 88 is displayed. Okay, so this works in opposite way. Like works how not like doesn't work. Next one is in. If we give only those options will be selected, like in. If option is Paris, comma, London. We will get only cities Paris and London, and their rows will be displayed. Okay, and if you give not in, other than that all values will be displayed. Paris is not here. Check this column. Paris will be missing, and all other rows are displayed for the except these 2 cities. Okay, this is how your in and not in works. Hope you understood, and if you have doubts, please do comment and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.